Hey guys, we got a lot of message to ask how to start sample development with ApparelWin. Do you need to send us a tech pack, a referential sample, or just sketch or drawings? Here is the answer. It would be great if you can provide us tech pad and a sample, because that way we can know your design perfectly. The production will be very efficient and fast. But it is also okay if you have sketch drawings. Our fashion project manager can discuss with you every details of your design. What's more, if you have nothing, just a reference picture on the internet, okay, we can copy for you. Just tell us changes you want to make and the details you want to add. And after confirming your design, then our project manager will talk with you every details. We will ask you to provide measurement for us. There's no standard measurement, you have to got your own size. But don't worry, we can help you figure out right size for you. For fabric and clothing accessories, we will source and confirm with you step by step. Remember, ApparelWin have strong supply chain and big networking with suppliers. You can get a lot of fabric options. But just remember, make sure you confirm every details before we start sampling. Changes and remake after sample finish cost time and money. When you get finished samples, you can review every details and approve your bulk production plan. If you want to get some changes, we can change in bulk production also. No matter what design you want to make, we have professional team here to helping you.